Hi everyone, today is the ninth day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So in this learning series, I daily bring some new word for you from the news article, podcast, storybook or daily uses sentences. I try to collect the best word and it advanced word for you. So first word is bidding. Bidding meaning is offering the price or asking, telling someone to do something. For example, he is bidding for the flat in Delhi. Bidding for the flat is offering the price for the flat. She nodded in bidding agreement. Nodded means yes. She yes. She told yes in the bidding agreement. Next example. The manager was bidding us to stay calm. Manager was bidding. Here manager was asking us to stay calm. So you can see first example for the offering the price. Third example for the asking or telling someone. Another example, the leader spoke, bidding everyone to stay calm. Next word, backstabbed. Backstabbed means breaking the trust by someone you trusted, especially by talking or acting against you secretly. This word I listened just 2 days ago. One news anchor was telling why the Congress backstabbed to DMK. So some example here mentioned. First example, I felt backstabbed when he spoke against me. Another example, I was backstabbed by my best friend. If your best friend cheated you or hurted you, so that time you can use this sentence. It hurts when someone backstabbed to you. Or the office politics is a full of backstabbing. So is a story of the every office. So you just remember this sentence if you are working in the office, professional person. So it's a very useful sentence pitching with your friend. He smiled on my face but backstabbed me later. This is a pure backstabbing behavior. So this is a very common word and advanced word you can use in your daily sentence. So little bit intermediate word, not advanced you can say. Posturing. Posturing meaning is behaving or speak in the mean to express, show the power or look important. So first example is he is just posturing. He is just posturing means he is trying to show the or show the power or so try to impress you can say. Stop the posturing and be honest or be practical. Another example, that speech sounded like posturing. That speech sounded like posturing. Next example, lot of posturing, no action. Means someone your friend is with you and he try to show the build, try to impress and try to show the build up. So that time you can use lots of posturing but no action. His anger feels like posturing, not real. So posturing is see, posturing meaning simple is means your body posture. But when you use it as a verb, so you can see how many type of sentence you can create. So be remember, try to use in your daily life. Next, scoot over, scoot over, scoot over a little bit advanced. It meaning is very simple. Move a little to make space for someone else. So here I mentioned some example. Scoot over please. I needed to keep my bag. If you are traveling or if you are in bus, train, anywhere you wanted to use this sentence you can use. Next, scoot over, don't block the fan air. If you are in home, your brother or sister just front of the fan in this summer, so you can use this sentence. Next example, can you scoot over? There is enough space. Or if you are your friends, you can use the last sentence. Scoot over here. I also want to sit. Next word. Flaws. Flaws meaning is very simple. Small weakness, mistake or negative quality in a person. Everyone have the flaws. No one is perfect. It means everyone have the some weakness, mistake. They do the mistake in life. So no need to worry. I mention here some example. I know I have flaws, but I am trying to improve. Next example. Accept people with their flaws. Don't judge the people. Next example. No big deal, just some flaws. So someone did some mistake, small mistake. So that time you can use no big deal, just a small flaws I can fix. He is a nice guy, but he has some flaws. He is nice guy, but he has some flaws. Means he have the some wrong. Yeah, you can say negative quality in his habit. Maiden. Maiden meaning is very simple. It's the first initial. This word you generally observe in a cricket game. Maiden over. Maiden over means there is no run in that over. It means initial or initial point. So someone is a initial point and it is a one event. Yeah, try to attempt something new thing achievement. So that time you can use. For example, it's her maiden solo trip. Means it's her first solo trip. There is our company's maiden project. He is give his maiden speech in parliament. Means he gave his maiden speech in parliament. Means it was the first speech which given in the parliament. India launched the maiden test of the nuclear capable in the ICB missile. I listen this word today and observe why this word is very common because I was reading the one news. India launched the maiden test of the nuclear capable ICB missile. Next, impregnable. Impregnable means impossible to defeat, break, or change. This word show the strongness of the person or things, or so show the you can't beat that person, that situation. Example: that argument sounds that argument sounds impregnable. No one can oppose it. His confidence is impregnable. Those days, the team's defense looks impregnable. The army made the border impregnable, made it impregnable, so no can break it. Intercontinental. Here is a this word created by the two word inter and continental. Inter means two or more. Continent means continent is one of the world's seven main large landmass like Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, like this. So some example here. Our meeting or intercontinental, different time zone. Or we handle the intercontinental client means someone is a foreign client and from the other continent. So you can use it is an intercontinental tournament means like Australia and India. So it is an intercontinental tournament. Intercontinental travel sounds exciting but tiring also because it's intercontinental time or tough because intercontinental time is different. Next word is glide. Glide means to move smoothly and easily without effort or noise. For example, the plane glided down for landing. The discussion glided into the next topic. It means discussion went smooth. There is no obstacle between no argument, no question. It's type of. The presentation glided smoothly without issue. The skateboard glided smoothly on the road. Glides like butter. Glided smoothly. So these are all the words. So please try to make the new sentence based on the all word and try to speak aloud as much possible. Then you can become the fluent speaker. So please like and subscribe my channel to learn the more word. Thank you for watching.